So for the first step, you need to go here, search, and here go for check for updates, and make sure your device is up to date. For example, if any of the update has been came, you need to just download and install the update. And after step number 2 is you need to know what kind of graphics card your device has. For example, mine is running Nvidia's graphics card. So for that, I need to go here. I need to open any browser. Here I need to type for Nvidia APK, and I need to download the Nvidia app for my device. For example, if from here I can download the Nvidia app. Similarly, you can go here, download internal drivers and graphics card. Here you can locate your graphics card and download these drivers. And in Nvidia, we can go straight to the app. And after opening the Nvidia app, after downloading the app, you need to open the app here. You need to maximize it, and after that, in the left side of the corner, you can see drivers here. Click on the drivers, and here you need to go check for updates. If any update has been came, it will show here install option. Rather than reinstall, you need to just reinstall this, and after that you need to restart your computer and it will fix your issues.